Been using this round dining table for almost 4 years. Has held up remarkably well. The wood feels solid, the tabletop is smooth, and the table is sturdy. It is one of the few pieces of IKEA furniture that is super easy to put together. Takes literally 5 minutes. The legs simply slide into the groove and are held in place by a plastic expansion piece. That's it. This table is a good size for 1 or 2 people. 4 people would be pushing it and would probably feel too cramped. Good thing I am perpetually single and have no friends. Any more than 2 chairs would not fit comfortably under this table. There simply isn't enough room. The edges curve inwards, which results in a sleeker appearance.